Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Monday, January 9th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Higher trade here in both grains and the meat markets as you really found some buying come in mid-afternoon. We did know that index funds wanted to restructure, rebalance their portfolios here starting today. It did look like they needed to buy 60 to 100,000 contracts of corn and about 30 to 40,000 contracts of wheat. You saw some pre-buying here last week, and then really mid-afternoon you came in here with a wave of strength, and it really looked and felt like index fund buying. So you went from about a penny lower to 2 cents higher in corn. Not a real big move, but it does give you some support here. And then the wheat market went from about steady to 6 to 7 cents higher as well. Along with that, soybeans were able to find some strength, up 10.5 cents. So really, you're going to get choppy trade leading into January 12th crop report. That's Thursday. That is a big deal. You get a lot of information out of that report. Winter wheat seedings for one. You finalize production, so a lot of people will be looking at that yield number. Last yield change we got in corn was a big jump, and so that'll be interesting to see what they do with that one. You're looking at record yields on both corn and soybeans, see if they fine-tune or adjust them in any way, and then get those carry-out numbers. We know we have a big crop here both domestically and worldwide. Everything's looking pretty good for South America, so really this is coming on the heels of more technical outside fund buying support than anything. Into the meat markets, kind of looks like a similar situation there. Managed money has been aggressive buyers here in live cattle. It was no surprise there that there were big buyers last week. We got that announcement on Friday. You were about $1 lower and then been able to work yourself higher mid-afternoon, just like you were in grains, closing about $1 or so higher in both live cattle, feeder cattle, lean hogs. Front month down 22.5 cents, but your deferred did have some positivity as well. Outside markets were a different situation, all lower, with crude well over $2 lower. The dollar was down about 28 and the Dow was down about 68 points. So that Dow hasn't been too much of a mover as you're really trying to wait and see if you can get up to 20,000 points to really be aggressive sellers there, but that's what people are waiting for, and it's stuck kind of in a little bit of a rut, but down 68 points at one point today. Other than that, not a whole lot of movement. Moving forward, like I said, all trade is really going to be off managed money. Index funds coming in here and buying, or coming into January 12th, that's going to be a big report there. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.